The Carolina coast regularly faces the inevitability of hurricanes, causing extensive damage and often claiming homes and lives. Cape Hatteras, positioned vulnerably on the edge of the Gulf Stream, bears the brunt of these hurricanes, as the warm waters of the massive current serve as a catalyst for their formation and intensity. Amidst the coastal turbulence, the gray man of Hatteras emerges as an enigmatic harbinger. His presence is felt along the beaches of Cape Hatteras whenever a hurricane looms, manifesting as a shadowy figure as the initial winds of the impending storm touch the island. Silent and elusive, the gray man never utters a word, dissolving into the salty air if anyone dares to approach. The islanders, however, recognize the significance of his appearance. The gray man is an unspoken warning, a spectral signal that tells you the severity of the approaching tempest. His spectral presence carries with it an unspoken message, a reminder that the forces of nature demand respect and preparedness. The gray man's origins remain shrouded in mystery. Some locals believe he is the ghost of a sailor who perished at sea during a hurricane and is returning to protect his fellow islanders from a fate he endured. Others see him as a force of nature itself, a spiritual embodiment of the powerful element steering the winds and waves toward the exposed island. In today's era of advanced technology, where satellites monitor storm formations and airplanes gather data within hurricanes, the gray man endures as a unique symbol. Despite the ability to predict and track storms, the islanders still find solace in the silent warning provided by the gray man. Perhaps in naming hurricanes, we personify these mighty forces, and the gray man becomes the voice of that living, formidable energy emerging from the depths of the ocean. Regardless of his true nature, the gray man persists in his vigil along the beaches, walking in the shadow of the towering Cape Hatteras lighthouse whenever a hurricane threatens the island. In the midst of the island's transformation, from a secluded haven to a bustling tourist destination, the gray man remains steadfast in his roles as a guardian. If you ever find yourself on Hatteras and news of an approaching storm fills the airwaves, take a stroll down the cloud-covered beach. As the first raindrops descend, watch for the elusive figure pacing the shoreline where the surging waves meet the sand. Should you spot him, heed the silent warning and evacuate the island, for a formidable storm is on the horizon.